Look at this move on gold. This move happened during London-New York overlap. Many traders see this, but they don't catch this entry. Not because their strategy is bad, but because their timing is wrong. Today, I will show you step by step how I enter this move using EMA, RSI, and volume. And this lesson is actually based on a question from one of you. He told me he uses EMA, RSI, and volume for scalping, but he struggles with timing the entry. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to execute a clean sniper entry using this setup. Don't worry, we will go slowly. First, I will show you why this session is powerful. Then, how I find the trend. After that, how I wait for the pullback. And finally, the exact moment I enter the trade. Just follow step by step. Why this session is powerful. This is London-New York overlap. This is the time when two major markets are open together. Because of that, more traders are active. More traders means more volume. More volume means stronger moves. Look how volume increase aggressively. That's why gold moves faster during this session. So if you want good entries, this is one of the best times to trade. Trend, EMA 200 direction 15-minute time frame. Now, before we enter any trade, we need direction. I use EMA 200 to understand directions. When price is above this line, the market is bullish. That means I only look for buy trades. When price is below this line, the market is bearish. That means I only look for sell trades. Very simple. No direction, no trade. Void entries when EMAs are flat or no clear direction. Short-term buyers may still have momentum, but structure favors sellers. Wait for clear direction before taking trades. So I repeat you. No clear direction, no trade. Pullback, patience. Rule number 1. No chasing. Now, this is where most traders make a mistake. They see a strong move, and they enter immediately. This is chasing. If you chase candles, sometimes you may win, but most of the time you will lose money. Instead, I wait. I wait for price to come back. Back into value. Back into the EMA zone. This pullback gives me a better entry and smaller risk. Waiting is part of strategy most traders don't understand. Use this time to mark support and resistance zones. Don't chase candles. Let's move on. RSI, understand momentum. Now, I check RSI. RSI helps me understand momentum, but more importantly, it helps me confirm the entry. Now watch this carefully. Price is pulling back. But look at RSI. RSI is still above 50. This tells me buyers are still in control. Even though price is pulling back, the strength is still bullish. This is a healthy pullback, not a reversal. Now look at this example. Price is pulling back, but RSI is dropping below 50. This is a warning. Momentum is weakening. This is not a strong setup. Look back at our previous chart. Now this is the important moment. RSI starts moving back up. Momentum returns. This is where I prepare for entry. So for buy setup, I want RSI to stay above 50, or quickly return above 50 after pullback. And in strong trends, I don't worry about overbought or oversold. Because strong markets stay strong. Remember, my friend, price can pull back, but momentum tells the truth. Volume. How to transition, very important. Now, we understand the trend on the 15-minute chart. And we saw how RSI behaves during the pullback. But I don't enter yet. Now, I shift to a lower time frame to find a precise entry. Now, this is the most important part of the entry. Volume. Volume shows real activity in the market. It shows when traders are actually entering. Look at this. Price is pulling back, but volume is low. This tells me there is no strong participation yet. So I wait. No volume, no entry. Now watch this. Volume suddenly increases. A strong candle forms. This tells me real traders are entering the market. This is not random movement. This is momentum with participation. Now I have confirmation. This is where I enter the trade. Not before. Not guessing. Only when volume confirms the move. So my rule is simple. I only enter when volume increases. And price moves with strength. Price can move. But volume tells you if the move is real. Sniper entry. This is a high probability entry. How to behave before entering. Now, this is the moment most traders fail. Not because they don't see the setup, but because they cannot wait. Trading is not only about analysis. It's also about control. You must slow down. You must breathe. And let the market show you the move. If you enter too early, you enter during noise, not during the real move. And that's why most scalpers lose on gold. But when you wait, you start to see the market clearly. You see the pullback. You see RSI holding strength. You see volume increasing. Now the market is speaking to you. This is where I enter. Calm. No hesitation. No guessing. Because everything is aligned. And if you are a beginner, don't rush into 1-minute scalping. Start simple. Use 1-hour time frame to understand the trend. Then use 15-minute for entry. This will help you see the market more clearly. Fast trading does not mean fast success. Clear understanding brings better results. So remember, patience is not waiting without reason. Patience is waiting for confirmation. Risk management, stop loss and take profit. Most traders miss this. My stop goes below structure. Target profit next high. Minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This is my entry. Not guessing. This is not random. This is a planned entry. Only when everything aligns. If you want my full EMA strategy PDF, comment PDF below. I'll share it with you. Before ending, remember this. This is not about using many indicators. It's about using them correctly. At the right time. And this lesson is actually based on a question from one of you. If you also have a setup you're struggling with, comment below. Subscribe to the High Probability Trading. In the next video, I will show you something even more powerful. We will look at RSI divergence and how professional traders use it to detect hidden market reversals. See you in the next lesson.